So guys, do you know you can create your own WordPress plugin in just a few minutes? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to build a custom plugin from scratch. So this is my WordPress folder. I'll go to the WP content folder, and inside the plugins folder, I'll create a new folder and give it a name, my first plugin. You can give any name here. So inside this folder, I'll create a new file with the same name, my first plugin.php. Now inside this file, you need to add some annotation. Right, you need to put some comments here, which gives the name of the plugin, its description, the version, and the author name. Right. Now here I'll create a new PHP function. And I'll return some value here. Right. And now I'll create a new shortcode here. For that, I'll call this function add shortcode. Right. And I'll give the name of the shortcode. You can give any name here. I'll give hello and the name of the function. So my function here is hello world. Right. And now when I go to my WordPress dashboard and put this shortcode in the post or in the page, it will render this text there. Right. Now let's try. So firstly, I'll save this plugin. And now this is my dashboard. I'll go to the plugins section and my plugin is showing here. So I'll activate this plugin. So it is showing me an arrow here. I need to surround the hello world here with the quotes. I'll save it again and now I'll try to activate it again. Okay, now the plugin is activated. And now if I go to the pages, create a new page here. Right, so I'll give a title and click on plus here and then type HTML, custom HTML, and put the shortcode here. Now if I check the output, so this is the output. Right, I can change something else. Again, I'll refresh. So this is working. So that's it. You just built your first WordPress plugin in under 3 minutes. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thank you.